Weichman for the 4th time. Christo still aboard first as Ryan tried the back pick and just missed a double play. Goodman, open stance, hands low at the chest, and he looks at a first pitch slider in the zone for strike 1. Weichman has featured that tighter breaking ball, the slider. He's also mixed in a few 12-6 curveballs to pair with his heater. He goes back to the fastball and gets the outside corner for strike 2. Again, quickly ahead, no balls and 2 strikes. On deck for California is Eric Mitchell, with 1 down here in the 8th. And before the 0-2, the catcher, Jake Ryan, will call time. He wants to give a new pair of signs to his pitcher, Jacob Weichman. The 0-2 pitch, swinging a foul into the glove of Ryan, who hangs on for out number 2. Back-to-back strikeouts now for Weichman, his 6th of the day.
Eric Mitchell.
And now it's Eric Mitchell's turn with 2 down. Christo being held on by Bannister at first base. Christo with a decent lead over there. And now it's Mitchell. Mitchell lines one of the second baseman, Jordan Williams, who makes the catch to end the threat in the 8th. 8 scoreless now for Jacob Weichman here at San Bruno Park on a sunny, beautiful day in the peninsula. 6-0 San Francisco, bottom of the 8th. Coming your way on Bay Area Sports TV right after this. Nothing. San Francisco leading the California Bees here. We're in the bottom of the 8th as Jack Thompson will lead it off in his first AB against Chaz Verduzco. Thompson, first pitch swinging. He lifts one to left. Coming in is Urbina. Going back is Christo, and it falls in front of both of them. Around first into second with a double is Jack Thompson. He's 1 for 1 off the bench for San Francisco, and it's a leadoff base runner for the Seagulls. And it will be another new hitter.
Number 42, Matt O'Mahony.
It is now Matt O'Mahony in the game, and he takes over the first spot in the lineup. Neil Sterling is now in the game as well. He played right field in the last inning, replacing Fishboat. So it's Matt O'Mahony at the dish with nobody out. And he takes the first pitch for strike 1. O'Mahony in his 40th at-bat for San Francisco this season, a native of San Bruno. He grounds one foul down the third base line. Last year he was a freshman at Skyline College. And he last appeared in a game on Monday in Reno. Takes one high and away for ball one. One ball and two strikes. Verduccio out of the stretch. Checking on Thompson at second. And now the pitch to O'Mahony. Slider tapped foul off of the bat the second time off of O'Mahony, so it will be a foul ball. O'Mahony, right-handed hitting outfielder, also plays first base. Down in the hole 0-2 to Chaz Verduzco. And it's there for strike three on the outside corner. Verduzco picks up another strikeout, and it's the first out of the eighth.
Pitch hitting for your Seagulls, number 23, John Murray.
So now with one out, the first pitch is low for ball one. Thompson still on second base, as now it's another new hitter for San Francisco. Swing and a miss for strike one, as the hitter is John Murray. Murray from Millbrae also pitches for the Seagulls. And the pitch gets away from Levy on his way to third as Thompson in there safely on the wild pitch. Murray so far 7 for 22 with 4 doubles and a triple, 5 runs batted in. Good for a .318 average. As the pitch is fouled up and over our heads, out of play.
Please return a foul ball to the snack shack for a free piece of candy.
So the count is 2-2 to John Murray. Murray attends the University of San Francisco. The pitch, swinging a foul. He stays alive. Murray, a returner for the Seagulls, played on the team last summer. On the mound, he was 2-0 in 15 games, with a 2.40 ERA last summer. Thompson at third, with one down, infield in for the Bees. The pitch from Verduzco is hit high and deep to left field, hooking foul. And a balk is called as the umpires are waiting for the ball to land foul, but Verduzco never quite stopped. So a run scores at 7-0. And the curveball hits Murray. So now he is aboard first base on the hit by pitch. Still just one out here in the eighth.
Pitch hitting for your Seagulls, number 13.
And Caviglia is emptying the bench here, goes to another pinch hitter. And it looks like it is Samio Uze, number 13 off the bench, left-handed hitter for San Francisco. Takes the first pitch on the outside corner for strike one. Uzi, a native of Saratoga, goes to De Anza College in Cupertino. Murray leading off of first, one down, 7-0 game. Same pitch for strike two. Verduzco gets ahead. The 0-2 from Verduzco. Outside for ball one. Uzi taking the place of Kai Moody in the third spot in the lineup. The 1-2 pitch, missing high and outside for ball two. Count even at 2s. Murray leading off at first. The pitch to Uzi. Low for ball 3. So after getting in the hole, no balls and 2 strikes, Uzi works the count full. 1 RBI and 18 bats for Uzi so far. Pickoff from Verduzco, not in time. Quick pickoff move as he came up to get set, but he couldn't quite catch Murray over at first. And the pitch, swing and a miss. Second strikeout of the inning for Verduzco. 2 down. As it will be another new hitter for San Francisco.
Number 20, Dirk Ryan.
That is Dirk Ryan at the plate. Ryan, a native of Canyon Country, California, attends LA Pierce College. And he hits one high and foul out of play, just out of the stadium for strike 1. In 2019, Ryan is 9 for 57, 2 doubles and a triple, 6 runs batted in. As he last appeared in a game in Reno on July 15th. Murray still on first with 2 down. The pitch from Verduzco is there for strike 2. Now ahead in the count, 0-2. The 0-2 pitch. Swing and a miss from Verduzco. He gets out of it, strikes out the side. But not before Jack Thompson comes in to score on the balk. It is 7-0 San Francisco as we head to the 9th.